Hey YouTube, how we doing? As you can see by the box, we got something really cool in from Kershaw. I know, it's a pretty huge box this time, isn't it? This one's going to be a little bit awesome. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to get right into it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, I have to admit, I saw this blade in a video done by Doc P91B. I think it was like one of those Never Enough Tactical or Shit Hits the Fan box. It was one of the ones that he did, and it got me hooked right from there. As you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw 3930 Flitch. And that's this guy right here. It is a big, beefy bastard, and I kind of like it. It fits beautifully in your hands. I love the little forward finger trolls there. It is just the way they have these little... excuse me, Charles, my butt. Oh my god, the jimping up here. Sorry, it's been a long day, heavily caffeinated. I do love how they have the little finger grooves down here, because it helps fit beautifully right into your hand. Now, the overall length of this guy is 7.75 inches. Closed is 4.6 inches. The blade is 3.25, and it has a hefty beef to it of 4.70 ounces. It's got a weight, and trust me, you can feel it. Now, what I think is kind of cool, it's got their speed safe opening. As you saw, it opens with the flipper. Now, it has a liner lock. And one of the things I thought was cool is they say those are titanium handles on the inside. That's kind of cool. Now, this is what kills me. So you do something with titanium right down here, but you put glass-filled nylon scales. We all know that's code for plastic. The blade steel is 8CR 13 MOV with a stonewash finish. Now, I gotta tell you, they do stonewash stuff incredibly beautiful with Kershaw. I love how they do it. I love how it looks. It is my second favorite finish over the Bead Blast, to be honest. And because it's Kershaw, this one, it's made in the USA. Down in Portland, Oregon, or Tualatin, or somewhere down there. It's like right down the road from me in Oregon. Now, as we usually do, we took a look at the cost. Over on Kershaw, it's $39.99. Over on Amazon currently, it's $27.05. It's got a 5 out of 5 star rating over on Kershaw's website with only 4 reviews, and 4 out of 5 over on Amazon with 7 reviews. Guys, I seriously like this. I like the feel of it. It just seems like a more beefier, heavier version of the Natrix. But like one step below, like a zero tolerance. Hope that makes sense. It's a beautiful freaking blade. But, you know, I want to know what you think down below. Leave your questions, comments, complaints, whatever. I want to hear them all. You know, and if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch this video. You should be seeing my company logo popping up right over here. Good, click on that. That is going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you click on subscribe, please click on that bell icon. That's going to notify you every single time we put up a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, there's going to be 2 of them over here. Those are going to be ones that YouTube is going to select for my catalog of videos. Oh, crap, before I even forget. Crap, I'm so sorry. Well, my catalog of videos, I think, is going to be a good viewing experience for you. It does have a reversible pocket clip, so you can carry it left or right, and it's only tip up. God, guys, so sorry I forgot to mention that. But anywho, there's my quick look at the Kershaw Flitch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.